The first 6 months of this year are on track to be the warmest since records began more than 100 years ago. As Ryan Boswell reports, the experts are putting this down to climate change and something extra.
Normally covered in a carpet of white, our never-ending summer has left many of our ski fields bare. So it's no surprise that temperatures are up.
Every month of the year so far has been at least half a degree above the average.
NIWA scientists monitor 7 sites around New Zealand. The first 6 months of this year are the warmest first 6 months of any year since records began in the early 1900s.
March, April, May was the second warmest autumn on record, and May was the warmest May on record.
Last month, Auckland was 2.3 degrees hotter than normal, Masterton 2.6, but it was Lincoln near Christchurch at 3.2 degrees that had the biggest peak. Scientists blame an increase in greenhouse gases and a so-called tailwind.
So what we've had this month, or this year, is more northerly winds coming out of the subtropics, bringing warmer air down over New Zealand.
The minister in charge of climate change admits our emissions are up.
Well, it's gone up by 1% over the last few years, but then against population and economic growth, actually we're sort of stable, if not going down. But I think there's more that we can do, particularly across transport.
The Green Party says we're not moving quick enough.
The worst drought that we had in 2013 wiped $1.5 billion off our economy. And what it says to us is that we really need to act to bring down our greenhouse gas emissions and for us to do our part.
Globally, temperatures are up too by almost 1 degree. There have now been 8 months of record highs in a row, and scientists say there's no sign of them coming down. Ryan Boswell, One News.